This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nina Beniak. This beautiful spacious brick home is located in a very desirable Pine Lakes Subdivision. Brand new roof installed 2021. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath 2-car garage home has over 2,000 square feet of living space. The family room has a fireplace that overlooks a huge fully fenced backyard with plenty of room for a pool. No carpet, new vinyl plank floors throughout the whole house. This split floor plan has a large master bedroom with his and hers walk-in closets and huge garden tub area and separate shower. The interior of this home has been completely redone. Schedule your appointment today. Beautiful Flagler Beach is only 20 minutes away. Close to shopping, banks, medical facilities, and schools and much more. For more information